I'm truly excited to share with you the passion and purpose behind Style City Music Incorporated. Our journey began with a vision to transform corporate events into unforgettable experiences that captivate, engage, and inspire. We want to take our business to the next level and amplify the impact we have on the events industry, and cater to medium-sized corporate events with unmatched expertise. From cutting-edge audio-visual solutions to seamless event production, we're committed to delivering excellence at every step, but our commitment doesn't stop there. We're dedicated to making a positive impact on our community. Through mentorship programs, we're nurturing the next generation of event professionals, sharing our knowledge and skills to inspire others to excel in this industry. Your investment in us isn't just about supporting a business, it's about fueling a movement. A movement that transforms events into extraordinary moments of connection, learning, and celebration. So join us on this exciting journey. Together, we'll turn visions into reality, elevate experiences, and create lasting memories. Thank you for believing in us, and we can't wait to show you the incredible things we'll achieve with your support. Style City Music, where every event rocks.
Hey, this is Q from Style City Music, and what I'm going to be focusing on today is ground stacking the VS3 IP video wall. And a lot of video wall systems are going to be very similar to what we use. We're going to use 4 components to do this, which is going to be the base, then you'll have the ground stack ladder that will go on top of the base. You'll have a rigging bar, which this will have attachments for the base. And last but not least will be the quick rig attachment, which will stabilize the wall to the base. Now, one thing I like about this particular rigging bar is this is the same rigging bar that we use to hang the video wall system from the truss and crank stands, and it can also be used as a ground stack with the 2 attachments that it has on the back. So we love this rigging bar because it's actually dual purpose for this particular video wall. And also built into this, on the bottom of this, you'll have these feet that go up and down that will allow you to level it to the floor. So all of this is built inside the rigging bar. There's no extra pieces that you need. So typically the main reason we would do a ground stack would be when we're dealing with ceiling height. Some stages we've done in the past, the ceiling height is too low to set up the crank stands plus the truss. So we have to go to different ground rigging systems in order to build the wall from the ground up without using the crank stands. Of course, the crank stands 99% of the time are going to be what we prefer because we can control the height. But when needed, we will go to the ground stack rigging system, and this is how we'll build it. So what we'll build today is going to be a simple 3 wide by 3 high, which will be just enough to show you how it's done. And plus, we don't have a lot of room in here. So this will at least give you the basic fundamentals you need to build a ground stack video wall. So one of the main things I'm doing is just trying to make sure everything's level when I'm putting it together. So I'm leveling from the sides and I'm leveling from the front and seeing if I need to make any adjustments with the feet. So So this is just something important I have to mention every single time you build this wall. This is a two-stage lock, so you have to push up on it. It pops the button out. Then you push it to the side. So again, you push up, it pops the red button out. Then you push it to the side to tighten it. So that's how these locks work on the VS3 IP. So also what I'm noticing is that these side latches are set incorrectly because this video wall can do curves. I don't want to do a curve, I just want it to be a flat wall. So I'm going to spin the lock to the 0 position, which will give me a flat wall instead of a curved wall. Take this one off, do the same thing, spin it to 0, and that gives me my flat wall as opposed to a convex or concave wall. Welcome to the house
style. Welcome to the house style. Welcome to the house of style. Welcome to the house style. Welcome to the house of style.
So the last piece of the ground stack puzzle is just how the quick rig connects to the back of the LED panel and secures it to the ladder.
Welcome to the house of style. Welcome to the
And there you have it. This is just a basic 3 high, 3 wide ground stack. And now you know how it's done. Next time we'll get into how we're going to wire the power and the data. One world, one love, baby.